Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I will tell you how to use FaceTime on iPhone and iPad. So let's start the video. First open FaceTime on iPhone, tap on new FaceTime. One thing that is important is that the person in front of you must also have an iPhone to use the FaceTime. Just tap the FaceTime. You can see this is my phone content, but she does not use an iPhone, so she cannot use it on FaceTime. Now choose another contact. You can see he's also using Apple, so start using FaceTime now. The person you want to talk to should have internet access, and FaceTime is iPhone's own app. It's in every model. As you can see, it is a video call only. And the other feature of FaceTime, you can turn off mic, hide your video cam, and loudspeaker. And you can add other friend to FaceTime. That's it. Hope this video helpful for you. Please subscribe my channel and also press the bell button. If you want to ask anything, go to the comment section below. Thanks for watching.